Drain the spin now. Will this be very out of balance? I don't know. Could cancel the spin, so stay tuned. Subscribe. Bedding's always bad, you know, when you wash it. The last spin went out and the main wash and that went off about 8 minute video. And a 5 minute spin because it kept cancelling it. But will it cancel on this one? It's already still struggling to rotate. Whoa. Bloody hell. Never seen this before. My god. That was fucking bad. Bloody hell. Sorry for the language, but that scared me. I didn't like that. I thought if it had gone a bit faster, I would have jumped a bloody mile. You can hear it, bloody hell. I don't like this. Don't like this, I'm moving away from me. I don't want a washing machine self-destructing in my bloody house, that's all I need. It would be a funny video though. Usually you do self-destructions outside, but not an unexpected one in a bloody house. Oh bloody hell. god. This is gonna hammer the bloody bearings. It's awkward when you wash it like this, isn't it? When it gets tangled. It always happens with bedding. Been going on for about 8 minutes this now. Oh, you need to subscribe to this. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely amazing. This is probably the best content video ever. Almost self-destructing in the house. Washing machine almost self-destructed in the house. That'll be the title of this video. Okay, that's just been cancelled.